Here we are doing the final fit of the bearings, the hinges I should say. They taking a bit of fitting, a bit of lining these up properly. So just dressing away this so as it fits nicely. And if you can see, I've got some markings on the end there, centre line and 2 centre markings. So that will help me to position the hinge in both directions. So yeah, that's what's taking the fitting. So spend a bit of time fitting them. Some of the tools I'm using: file, air file, which brilliant that is. Obviously magnets to keep it lined up. A clamp to clamp the ends together there. Mug of coffee, of course. That's the most important thing. Another magnet here to keep this end level, and the other hinge. So I'm just working on the first hinge, and yeah, some mole grips to keep this end clamped together. So that's what I'm working on today.